When it comes to getting a permit, you may have asked yourself, what's the difference between a shall issue, may issue, and constitutional carry state? As a criminal defense attorney and firearm attorney, let me break this down for you really quickly. A may issue state is a state where they have discretion as to whether or not, even if you meet the requirements for training, background checks, and whatever else, they may or may not issue you the license. Now, in some may issue states, it still may be reasonably easy to get that license. Other states may be extraordinarily difficult. A shall issue state, by contrast, is a state where if you meet the background check requirements, the training requirements, if you pay your fees, basically if you meet any and all requirements that are available at that time, then they shall issue the license. In other words, law enforcement and the forces that be have no discretion. They must give you the license. They shall give you the license. Now, both of these systems are part of the permit system. This is a little bit different than a constitutional carry. In a constitutional carry system, frankly, there probably are no permits. And the reason why I say probably is because sometimes when it comes to looking for issues of reciprocity, in other words, how am I going to travel to another state and take advantage of concealed carry? It could be that your state with constitutional carry may actually have their own permitting system set up specifically so that their residents can take advantage of reciprocity maps. In other words, so that they can carry in other states. Otherwise, if that's not an issue or concern or something that someone's interested in, it doesn't mean that they cannot carry in their own state without a permit, just the opposite. If you're in a constitutional carry state, that means that, generally speaking, as long as you're not a prohibited possessor, in other words, as long as you can lawfully possess firearms, you don't need a permit. You don't need a background check, and you may not need training in order to conceal carry. It's constitutional carry. You can carry without any of those. Of course, these laws are all subject to change with place and time, so you need to be mindful and keep yourself up to date on this as to where you are and the fact that maybe what was lawful last year on vacation may be illegal this year on vacation. So keep yourself up to date, and you'll keep yourself out of trouble.